Hello students, we are going to discuss projectile motion from a tower below the horizontal. Okay, projectile motion from a tower below the horizontal. Already we studied above the horizontal, now below the horizontal. Let us consider this is the tower. Yes sir, tower. Top of tower, bottom of tower. Height of tower is take h. Okay sir, height of tower h. Consider this is x direction, x axis. What about this y direction? Like this is like origin. This is the point. X direction. So x direction, y direction. If it is projected with the initial velocity u, making an angle theta with the horizontal. Thrown like this. Is continues to like this? No sir. It bends towards the right. This is the path. So at this point, it reached this point after some time, after time t. So what is the vertical displacement? Y sir. Horizontal displacement? X sir. Here velocity at this point is Vx in horizontal direction, Vy is in vertical direction. What is the resultant? Resultant is draw a tangent at this particular point, V. This is the angle made by projectile with the horizontal. Okay sir. U can be resolved into two rectangular components. So here Ux is, U can be resolved. Along this side is Ux. Along this side is Uy. That is Ux equal to what? U cos theta sir. Adjacent. U cos theta. Therefore Uy is equal to, tell me, Uy is, this is a y direction, x direction, y direction. Uy, negative y axis, minus U sin theta. Clear? So these 2 points is okay. X direction, U cos theta. So here, y direction, this is the y. This is negative y. That's why minus U sin theta. Simple logic. Ax equal to what? There is no force in horizontal direction. Ideal condition. Only gravity is there. Gravity is acting vertically downwards, sir. So here, Ax is 0. Clear, sir? 0. No problem. Then, what is the Ay direction? Ay is acting vertically downward. Assumption, vertical upward is y. Vertically downward, negative y. That's why minus g. Ay minus g. Ux, Uy. Ax, Ay. Then after t seconds, Vx equal to Ux plus Axt. So here, Vx equal to Ux is U cos theta. Ax is 0, 0 into t. That's why here Vx equal to U cos theta. After t second, its horizontal component of velocity is U cos theta. But vertical component, Vy plus Uy, Uyt. Sir, here Vy equal to, Uy is minus U sin theta, sir. Clear? Then plus minus g t, sir. Vy is equal to minus U sin theta minus gt. This is the vertical component of velocity after t seconds. Then, sir, here, what about its magnitude? Magnitude of the speed or velocity, Vx square plus Vy square. It is similar to above the horizontal. So here V equal to root over Vx square plus Vy square. Okay, sir. We know the Vx, we know the Vy, substitute, we get answer. Then angle made by projectile with the horizontal after t second, Vx, Vy. We know that theta, tan alpha equal to tan inverse of Vx by Vy with horizontal, with the horizontal. This is okay, sir. Okay. Then, so here Ux, Ex, Vx, Uy, Ay, Vy. Then velocity vector after t second, Vx I cap plus Vy minus j cap. Minus j. Why not? Downward is minus j. Okay, sir. Then horizontal displacement. Horizontal displacement after t seconds. Horizontal displacement after t seconds. Here this is the horizontal displacement. Why moves horizontally? Because of horizontal component of velocity. Ux is there now in horizontal direction. That's why here we use S equal to uxt plus of axt square. Ux is what? Ux is u cos theta. Ax is, so ax is 0. That's why S is nothing but x displacement in horizontal direction. Ux is u cos theta into t plus of ax is 0 into t square. X equal to u cos theta into t. This is the horizontal displacement after t seconds. Then what is the vertical displacement, sir? Vertical displacement. Vertical displacement after t seconds. Vertical displacement after t seconds. Therefore here in vertical direction displacement is y. That's why S equal to uy t plus of ay t square. Ay t square. Then students here S is nothing but this is the y, positive y direction, downward negative y direction. S is minus y u. Uy is u sin theta beta. Uy is minus u sin theta into t plus of ay minus g into t square. After that, here minus, here also minus, all minus cancel. Y is equal to u sin theta into t plus of g t square. This is the vertical displacement after t seconds. Vertical displacement after t seconds. What is the projectile equation for this case? Projectile equation, na? So here x equal to what? U cos theta into t. That's why here x is equal to u cos theta into t. T equal to what? X by u cos theta. Substitute t value here, we get projectile equation. Y is equal to beta, y is equal to u sin theta into t means x by u cos theta plus of g x by u cos theta whole square. U cancel. Y is equal to tan theta into x plus of g x square by u square cos square theta. It is nothing but g by 2u square cos square theta into x square. This is said to be projectile equation for this case. Okay, write it all of you. Then next, yes sir. Next, here same case. This is the top of tower. Which is the top of tower. This is the top of tower. We know that horizontal thrown with angle theta with the horizontal with initial velocity u. Okay, sir. Then it is projected. So path is like this. Okay. So point of projection, landing point. So this is what x direction. What about this y direction? Okay. Then what do you want? We want time of flight for this case. Time of flight. What is the expression for time of flight for this case? Time of flight. We know that what is the vertical component of velocity initially? That is uy. Uy equal to u sin theta minus u sin theta. Okay, sir, no problem. Here ax equal to ux equal to u cos theta. Why it is moving downward direction? Because of gravity. Because of gravity and vertical component of velocity. That's why here uy equal to minus u sin theta. Right, sir? Ay equal to minus g, sir. It is clear, sir. S is equal to minus h. S equal to minus h, vertical displacement. Then T equal to capital T, which is equal to how much? Then here S equal to uyt plus of ayt square. S is nothing but minus h, vertical displacement. Uy is minus u sin theta into capital T plus of minus g capital T square. Here minus h equal to minus u sin theta into t minus of g t square. Here minus cancel here. In this minus all minus h equal to u sin theta t plus of g t square. Here h is known value, u known, theta known. We get the quadratic equation in terms of capital T. We get the capital T from this equation. Therefore here of g capital T square plus u sin theta into t. Here minus h equal to 0. From this we get capital T, time of flight from this. Okay. All values. That means u, theta and h substitute, we get the t value. This is the time of flight. Time of flight is nothing but time taken to reach the B point. Okay, then for this case here range is what beta? Here range we want na? Range is nothing but this is the range. The maximum horizontal distance traveled during its time of flight. Entire its motion, what is the maximum horizontal displacement? So that's why here we use S equal to uxt plus of axt square. Clear? Right? S is nothing but R. Ux is u cos theta. T is capital T plus of ax0 t square. R equal to u cos theta into t. T is time of flight for this case. Time of flight for this case, we get the range. Okay? So here what is the time of here? What is the net displacement when it reached B point? Net displacement is nothing but here. This is the net displacement. That's why here net displacement when it is reached ground, n. So net displacement S is equal to, for this case, S equal to root over. So these two perpendicular to each other, hypotenuse is the displacement. So here that is h square plus r square. We know the h value, we get r value here, we get a displacement for this case. Okay, write it.